Hi everyone, it's Charles at Empress Mills and I'm delighted to have the haberdashery item of the week for you. This week we've got the Prym bobbin holder. It holds 32 bobbins in these little individual compartments, a little organiser that comes with it. And the case itself is great for either use in your sewing room, whether you just want to use it as a little organiser, or is fantastic for if you're heading on the move. The lid itself is very secure, the hinges very, very firm, not likely to break. It'll last you literally for years. The latch on the front as well is nice and firm, nice little latch hook, so if you're popping it in your bag, it's not going to spring open and you're not going to end up with bobbins everywhere. As I say, it's designed really for taking on the move with the lid. That being said, also perfect for your sewing room, and I know I'm going to get in rather a lot of bother for showing you this. This is Sheila, who does a lot of our demonstration sewing here at Empress. This is Sheila's own bobbin box. I wanted to show you, we gave this to her when we first started stocking the boxes. I don't know how long it is since, but it is literally years. It could be 6, 7, 8 years since we started stocking this particular bobbin box. And we gave this to Sheila right at the start of us getting them in. This is a little dusty. I am going to get in bother because she'll be going, Charles, you've shown them my dusty stuff. But I wanted to show you because it just shows how wonderful it is and how strong and what a quality product it is. Sheila very much uses it in situ. She very rarely takes it home. This is hers from the sewing room here at Empress. And the back lid makes a fantastic little tray tidy. So even if you're not using it out and about, if you do just want to use it as an organiser in your sewing room, you can see it's very handy just for all sorts of bits and bobs, as well as the bobbins that it is of course designed for. So yes, there we go. It's the haberdashery item of the week, so it's online with a fantastic discount right now for you. As always, if you have any questions on this item, any of our haberdashery items, or of course any of the Empress fabrics, don't hesitate to get in touch. You can leave a little comment underneath the video and I will of course get back to you. Alternatively, don't hesitate to email or do give us a telephone call as well. We will be very pleased to help. Thank you very much indeed for watching. I hope that's of interest and of course of use for you. Yes, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye bye.